RAM OCS. Preset Library. By clicking on the green Library tab we can check, send, or recall any DSP preset process that has been created previously using the software. It is also possible to manage a complete preset library, which can be sent to an amplifier or stored on a computer. For example, a library is made up with a complete set of DSP presets determined by the user, contained in one place, either in a computer file or in the amplifier memory. A library contains three types of presets: global preset, input preset and output preset. All the presets we create for the amplifier can be managed from the library window. This window contains three tabs which identify each preset type, and with each tab we can carry out different functions. In the Output Preset section we can see a list of all the presets we currently have stored in the library. We can see the assigned memory number, as well as the name and identifying label assigned by the user. It is possible to create more than 90 output presets and send them all together to the library using the button Send All Output Presets. Or one by selecting each preset and pressing Send Selected Output Preset. By doing this, we only send the presets to form part of the amplifier library. If we also want to recall them to be used in an output channel, we need to send and recall using the buttons Out A, Out B, Out C, Out D, after firstly selecting the desired preset. Additionally, we can access other functions by right-clicking on the desired preset, and choosing to delete, load or save the preset in a specific computer file, or to send or retrieve specific presets from the amplifier. In the Input Preset section we have a list of more than 60 input presets that we can manage. The functionality of this section is the same as that of the output presets, but in this case the presets will be uploaded to the input section using the buttons in 1, in 2, in 3, and in 4. The Global Preset section contains a list of 60 available global presets. This list includes a memory number, as well as the assigned name. It also includes a summary of the input and output preset numbers, as well as the route that will be used to configure each global preset. It is important to know that a global preset only includes information of the preset to be retrieved, and not the specific information of the process to be carried out, which means that it is very important that the input and output presets to be used have been saved previously in the amplifier library. The buttons in this section have a similar function to buttons in the other sections. In addition, within each global preset we can include as much information and commentary as necessary. If we go now to the panel on the right of the library window, this allows us to manage the complete library. The Disk Library section allows us to open library file, or save library file, a complete library to our computer. The Sync Library section allows us to send the complete library to our amplifier, send library to amp, or to retrieve the library that is currently stored in the amplifier, receive library from amp. When carrying out the processes of sending and receiving, a panel will appear informing us of the percentage of work completed. This is due to it being a slow process because of the large amount of information being transferred and recorded. These same buttons are also available in the amplifier menu at the top. Here we can load or save a complete library of presets onto our computer, open library, save library, and also delete a library to start a fresh, new library. At the same time it is possible to send the library to the amplifier, send library, or receive library in the same way as described previously.